This video is part of a series of videos presenting features developed in an EU-funded research project called FEAT, Features for Accessibility Through Templates. The project has developed built-in features in authoring tools to support web authors to create accessible content using Episerver as a model. The templates shown in these videos are downloadable free of charge from the Episerver marketplace. Each item on the website needs to be accessible, by making sure as much as possible is accessible and consistent by default. The web author doesn't have to be an accessibility expert to publish accessible content. The text block may be the most commonly used part in the content creation process. In the text block template, it's possible for the web author to format the body text, headings, links, and listings. The built-in accessibility of the text block objects are connected to individual CSS classes. This means that each design pattern is consistent when it comes to type font, sizes, and so on. This way, the web author doesn't have to bother about the consistency of the presentation of the different parts of the text block. They are presented in a consistent way by default. The formats in the text editor are predefined and accessible by default. This is my content, but I need to make it structured so it's easier to read. I will start by formatting the header. It's important for users that headings are marked as heading elements and that they follow a logical order. This is especially important for people using assistive technologies, where they navigate the content on a page using the structure of the headers. In Episerver, header 1 is the same as the page name, so the next logical header is number 2. I'll push the select field where it says paragraph and choose header 2. This gives me the correct formatted element connected to the text directly. That looks better already. But this part I want to make more readable by creating a bullet list. Using the built-in feature means that the bullet list is accessible by default, so I don't have to do anything extra to make it readable for assistive technology. Finally, I would now like to add a link to my text. All the built-in features are accessible by default. This also includes links. Using the predefined element for links guarantees that all links will be presented in a consistent way. If you would like to create a link, you highlight some text and click Create Link. It's important that the link text is understandable even out of context. Even if that is not required by law, it's really useful for many users and best practice. In this example, I want it to open up in the same window, and I'll choose the About FEAT page. I now have a link, but I still need to format it. I'll use the link underline class. I'll publish this, and here you can see the heading, the bullet list, and the link. Accessible by default. We hope you will use the features described in these videos to create accessible web content in an easier way. You can find the technical specifications and more information about the features at www.funka.com/feat. Please do reach out if you need any support in implementing the templates or if you have any questions. You can always contact us at research@funka.com.